Meditation is our regular activity now. Everybody experienced the importance of meditation, how it helps us to silence our mind, how we can stop this busy mind, the chattering mind. So by practicing this meditation, everybody feel the energy, everybody feel the happiness within just by observing our breath. How simple it is, friends. No chanting mantra, no thinking about God, nothing else. Just being here in this present moment, observing our natural breath. So in this process, we may experience different kind of things. Pains. Just a minute. One minute. Fine. Is it okay now? Still some noise? Friends, my voice is clear, audible? Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes. Yes, friends. So during this process of meditation, we are releasing all the blocks, all unwanted energies. So when in this process, you feel some pain, you feel some emotions which are there suppressed in your body, that is you're releasing now. And you feel very weight and light, and you see some colors, some images, some happiness. So these are all the experiences everybody get during meditation. Some people, they just experience the silence, that's all. Experience the emptiness, that's all, nothing else. Just emptiness, nothing. So everybody have experienced the different things. It is, every experience is unique. Everybody is unique. So friends, please do meditation whenever you have time. It is very easy wherever you can practice, wherever you are. Just observing your breath, that's all. So yesterday, and day before yesterday and previous classes, we were discussing about our thoughts and our reality. How can we change and how can we manifest? And today we are going to look a few more a presentation on our reality. So let me share my presentation, friends. Okay. I hope everybody can able to see my presentation. Yes. Friends, we discussed everybody is energy being. Everything is in this planet Earth carries the energy. Everything, every material, every living or non-living beings. So we have seen some images of Kirlian photography, how energy appears in plants, in fruits, in human being and surroundings with metals. So everything carries energy. So we are all energy beings. Our life is working through that energy. We call the soul energy. So through our thoughts, we are utilizing that energy. So more using, more thinking, different thoughts, different negative thoughts, then we are losing so much energy. So we were discussed how we are losing our energy in previous sessions. So today we will know about few more things about how our life is impacting, what really happening. We are all image of others. We are image of others. When you are 1, 2, and 3 years of old, you cannot see yourself. The only way to see yourself is to look at your image in a mirror, and other people act as that mirror. See, when you are a baby, a 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years old, you don't know anything. You're just taking from your mother, parents, okay, and your surroundings, your society, from your teachers, whatever. However you're speaking, they are also speaking. You're speaking in your language, they're also speaking in the same language. And however you're dealing with others, they're also dealing with the same way how you are dealing. If you're sharing your love with others, they're also trying to share. If you are shouting others, they're also shouting others. I'm clearly experiencing, I have baby, a 4 years old. I'm clearly experiencing this. Whatever we are saying, and they are also repeating the same. Just like a mirrors. If you're talking wrong things, they're also talking wrong things. If you're doing good things, they're also doing good things. They don't know. Just you are the image. They just copy. If you say that, if you show that you show some animal, name is a dog, and they say dog. If you say that the dog, and you replace and you tell that it's a pig, they all say pig. Even some other people say, no, this is not dog, this is a pig. No, this is pig, not a dog. Then they also say, no, my parents said this is pig. So whatever we are coding, whatever we are dealing, whatever we are talking, they just observe, and we are the images. And you don't know what you are, but your mother tells you what you are, and your father tells you what you are. So the baby don't know, and we create some image. So you go to the school and pursue and read. I should become a doctor, I should become a lawyer, you should become a scientist. So we decide what you want to be. And they're also going like that. They're also reading. Maybe they have different plans, but we think that, okay, you should read this one. You should study in that school. You should go there. The other humans around you have the capacity to project an image onto you, which means they tell you what they believe you are. See, everybody has different understanding, different mindset. different wisdom and knowledge, the perception. If some people come and talk about you, and you think that, yes, I'm also same that, and you are agreeing that, they believe that, oh, you are so and so, then you are also believing and you are accepting. Somebody say, hey, you are stupid fellow, you don't know anything, you are doing always nonsense, but actually you are doing good. But somebody come and saying this one, and you are willing, yes, I may be stupid, I'm maybe doing nonsense, maybe I can't do anything in my life. When you are accepted, then you are into that same, you're stopping your growth. The other people projects their beliefs onto you, you agree, and they become yours. If somebody say you are idiot, then yes, I'm idiot. You're stupid, yes, I'm stupid. When you agree, when you are accepted, then gone. So always, please don't give importance for others' opinion unless it's a good feedback, good motivation. Don't give importance for others' opinion. You have to know who you are, what you are doing. Nobody should not give the certificate, hey, you are a good person, you are fantastic, marvelous. No, you have to think about you, how you are good, how you are bad. Because, friends, remember, you come alone and you go alone. You are the one. Nobody is coming with you. Is there anybody coming with you at the time of death? Your parents, your family members, your wife, your husband, your children? Nobody. You are alone. You came alone, you go alone. You carry whatever wisdom you gain in this lifetime. Don't create the blocks and don't give importance for the negative opinions. Think about you, work on you. They teach you to judge the way they judge, to gossip the way they gossip, to create dramas the way they create dramas. See, as I mentioned before, when you are with a certain people, okay, or your friends, your family members, or parents, siblings, whoever, you don't know what is the gossip. You just, you are with your friends and every time they are gossiping, hey, see how the person is look like. See what he's doing. Is this and that. And you are learning that gossip. You are also start doing gossip. And you are also start doing whatever they are doing. For example, when you are in home, your mother is a housewife. So what you learn from your mother teach you how to cook, how to serve, how to keep your home clean. Right? When you're with them, you're learning this. When you go to the school, the teacher teach you, this is A, this is B, this is science, this is mathematics. You're learning from them. At the same time, when you are with the wrong people, then you're learning the same. Gossips, complaining, addictions. So you become them and you are part of with them. Always we should be aware about our association, what kind of people we are moving. This is most important, friends. This is very, very important. Think about in which surroundings are you, the positive or negative. If it is negative, cut it immediately. And be with the positive people always. You begin to play with all these concepts, all this knowledge, and that is how you learn to dream. Yes, you coded everything. 20 years or 15 years, you coded everything from your childhood. Gossips, complaints, belief system, and everything you have coded. Then when you grow up, all the set of codes are ready. Then when you go into the society or family relationships, whatever you are coded, again you are doing here, you are projecting. For example, you have your from your childhood you have been observing the wife and husband always fighting. That information you are receiving. For example, your father and your mother is always fighting. You are receiving those information. And when you're watching the movies or some other neighbor, if they are fighting, you are receiving those information. When you get married, you are repeating the same emotions and the same whatever you have coded, whatever you have received. This is happening everywhere. So our life is in our hands, how we are living, how we are thinking, how we are behaving. So think about it. What you are doing, what you are thinking. It is there, friends. In your subconscious, it is there. You don't remember. You don't know why you are acting in that way. You don't remember. It is there. You have been coding. So one day, you are projecting on others. So this is a time to remove all the unconscious things, unconscious negativity from us. Just by being with your breath, it happens. All whatever you stored in subconscious, unwanted things that will be removed naturally. So the great secret of life, everything that is coming to your life, you are attracting into your life. Whatever is going on in your mind, you are attracting it to it. See yourself living in abundance and you will attract it. It will work every time with every person. So what you are attracting, what you are watching every day we are watching the movies or news. Whenever you wake up in the morning, you take the tea or coffee and you switch on the TV, then all the bad news come: accident, death, murder, suicide, receiving all the information. So while watching you, this is so much emotions, you full attention there, and you're receiving and you're storing there. You're attracting. So one day you will be, you may face some accident, some incident, whatever you have seen in the news or something. You are attracting your emotions there, you're receiving. It means that your mind want to manifest that, because you're seeding, you're planting those seeds. See friends, every day you are watching a good news, good music, and you are living in such a way, 2 or 3 months, your life will be like that. You will be in a positive way. You always happy because your mind is tuned for that. So this is the time to record. This is a time to change your pattern, break your pattern, look for positivity, do for good things, help other, help yourself. So these are the things that are important, friends. The only reason people do not have what they want is because they are thinking more about what they don't want than what they do want. I was doing this one. I focus on what I don't want. I don't like this fellow. I don't like this. Always saying this, I don't, then I'm sending the energy to there. Then the same attracting, I don't like this job. Then I'm attracting the same energy. I'm focusing there and receiving the same. Your thoughts determine your frequency, and your feelings tells you immediately what frequency you are on. When you are feeling bad, you are on the frequency of drawing more bad things. Yesterday also we discussed. When you are fearful, what kind of energy you have? The fear-based energy. You are not happy. Your energy is drawn. You're uncomfortable. You are in that frequency. When you're happy, you have a happy thoughts and joyful thoughts. your energy. You feel very happy and energetic, and you feel that you are expanding so much love and happiness. Where it comes? From you, with your thoughts. That is just happening. So all the diseases comes from a state of forgiveness. So this is very, very important, friends. Very, very important. If you are suffering for any reason, any diseases, anything, you need to forgive. You need to ask forgiveness. There may be unconsciously we have done mistakes. You need to accept that mistake. If you don't know what mistake you have done, you ask the forgiveness. Whoever, the universe, the people, the animals, the plants, whoever, you ask the forgiveness. I may be done wrong things without unknowingly. So please forgive me. I don't repeat again. Please help me to understand what I made mistake. I want to learn. So when you do this one, something happens. Something releases from you. You feel very light. And slowly, gradually, you feel that you are very comfortable. And the diseases, what you are experiencing, that will leave from you because you're asking forgiveness from your heart. Really, from your heart. Everybody made mistakes. I made mistakes. Everybody made mistakes. When you ask forgiveness from your heart, that will be released from you. Then you feel happy, friends. This is most important. Think about that. What are the challenges or diseases that currently you're facing? I'm going to introduce few of the practitioners, those who are released their pains or diseases through meditation with the power of forgiveness. Okay, friends. So let us do meditation now. So far, if you have any questions, you can ask me. We'll do meditation, friends. So meditation is our foundation. In that foundation, you can build whatever you wanted. So that is the foundation. We have to, if you want to construct the house, you have to level the ground. You have to take out all the stones, whatever, not necessary. So that is happening in our meditation. So we are grounding. We're making the foundation. In that foundation, we will build a beautiful house, friends. There you are living in your heart. So if you have any questions, any doubts, shall we start meditation? Okay. Well, I hope I'm not alone here. Okay. Okay, friends, sit in a comfortable posture. Make yourself comfortable. Close your eyes. If you are having glasses, you can take out your glasses and cross your both hands fingers and cross your legs. Close your eyes. Sit in a comfortable posture. No need to keep your backbone straight. Simple posture, the natural posture. I'm going to play the music, friends. Along the music, I will be guiding. Sit in a comfortable posture, my dear friends. We're all together practicing meditation. Meditation means nothing but observing your breath. Meditation means silencing our mind. Just sit in a comfortable, relaxable posture. Few minutes, forget about everything, friends. This time is for you, for your transformation. This is very valuable time for your growth. Just stay here, my dear friends. There is no hurry. There is nothing to do now. Just relaxing. Just be here, my dear friends. Your entire body is going into complete relaxation. Every corner of your body, every cell in your body is going into complete relaxation. Just observe your natural breathing. Your incoming and outgoing breath. Normal, natural, easy breath. Don't put any efforts on your breathing. If your breath is deeper and longer, let it be deeper and longer. If your breath is shorter and shallow, let it be shorter and shallow. Just be with your breath, my dear friends. If your mind is wandering here and there, bring back to the present moment. And stay here with your breath. With natural breathing. Your incoming and outgoing breath. Incoming and outgoing breath. Normal breathing. No chanting mantra or no thinking about God. Nothing else. Just being here with your breath. Be with your breath, my dear friends. Don't go behind your thoughts. Your thoughts are like passing clouds in the sky. Just ignore your thoughts and back to the breath. Always train your mind to be here in this present moment. Just be with your breath, my dear friends. Don't go behind your thoughts. Ignore your thoughts for few minutes and bring your attention to your breath. Your incoming and outgoing breath. Normal, natural, easy breath. Just be with your breath, my dear friends. The normal breathing. Just witness it, how it is going inside and coming outside. Last 5 minutes. Just be here. Last 1 minute. Last 30 seconds. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Keep your both hands fingers on your eyes. And gently open your eyes. Okay, friends, welcome back. If anybody would like to share your experiences or would like to ask any questions, we can start now. Today, I saw myself in green plants. Wow, wonderful experience. Yes, we are everywhere because we are all energy and we are connected with everything. That's wonderful experience. Thank you. Yes. Anybody, friends? Feeling good, relaxation, pains. Yeah, it's okay. In meditation, naturally pains comes with the healing process. So let it go. Whatever comes in your meditation, just let it go. I feel good and saw ocean. Very good. Thank you. Yes. Sweating a lot today. It's a healing process, really, because it's releasing unwanted energies from you. It's like toxin, releasing all toxins. It's a good experiences. So no need to worry. Everybody drink more water, friends. After meditation, before meditation, drink more water. That water helps you. Used to lose temper very quickly, but nowadays major changes hardly lose temper. Good. So I want to ask how to strengthen our memory power through meditation. Just doing, that's all. Just observe your breath, nothing doing, and everything comes what you really needed at this moment. Because the energy knows, the universe knows what to give you at this moment. So no need to worry about strength and about other things. Just sit and observe your breath, and everything comes to you and knock the door. Okay? Just be with your breath, friends, without any thoughts, without any thinking, without any visualization, just observing your natural breath, and you see miracles in your life. I have seen, and many people, millions of people, seen miracles in by practicing meditation, friends. So very good. So good experiences, friends. Everybody having good experiences, and we are progressing every day, friends. Just be with your breath and practice every day. This is definitely helpful for you. And all you need to trust you, not trust others, trust anybody. Trust you first. Think about you. Think about your health. Think about your happiness. Every day before going to bed, you analyze what happened today, how much happiness I had today. So what can I do? Be happy for tomorrow. What can I do for happy to now? So you need to work on that. You have to work on that. Nobody can work for you. You have to work for you, because you know you are the best person to know about you. I don't know about you, but you are the best person know about you. You know what happening in your mind. You know what happening in your body. You know what happening in your surroundings. So then work on it, friends. It's in your hands. Your life, your birth, your death, your happiness, your strength, your freedom. So please keep practicing meditation, friends, whenever you have time, and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir.